Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to download Pinterest videos on phone. It should work on your phone as well as iOS device. So I will show the step-by-step process of downloading Pinterest videos on phone. Let's start it. First of all, you have to go your Pinterest app. Then suppose you want to download one video. So I'm showing you one video. So suppose I want to download this video, then you have to click on the video. After that you have to click on the three dot option, then copy link option will come. From here you have to copy the video link first, then you have to go any web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome in this case, so I'm going to Google Chrome, then I'm searching Pinterest video downloader. Okay, when you search, then in the first option will become the expertsphp.com. so you go to this website, then you have to paste the copy Pinterest video copied link, then just click on download. Then you see this video will be download. From here this option will come, then you have to click on the three dot menu in the bottom of the video, then download option will come. From here you have to click on download, then this video will start downloading. Moreover, if this option not work, then you can see the below download link. From here you can also download this video. That's it. So if this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.